Meron tayo dito ngayon yung trending na chocolate at ito yung Fix Dessert Chocolate here na straight from Dubai. Dalawa lang flavor ang meron tayo, pero meron to nung isang box na may 6 na flavors. Got this from Dubai Pasabay, Batangas. I will put their Facebook page below if gusto nyo rin umorder. But at least, andito yung pinakasikat na flavor nila. Ito yung canafe or yung pistachio flavor. At ito na, titikman na natin yung sikat talaga na flavor kung deserve ba talaga na nag-trending to. Ito yung Can't Get Enough of It or Can't Get Enough of It. Ang hirap naman basahin. Pero napaka-witty ng naming nila, 'di ba? At napaka-catchy. Titikman na natin. Again, ang ganda ng packaging nila. Ito naman ay merong canafe or nafe. Ngayon yung parang made of phyllo din. Kaya may crispy texture din siya. And may pistachio filling. And tahini paste. Milk chocolate based din to. Kaya hindi siya masyadong matamis. But I think kaya din to nag-trending. Kasi marami siguro yung pistachio lover. Kagaya ko, na pistachio lover. And I think the serve talaga ng Fix na nag-trending itong chocolate bars does uncommon flavors and feeling. Na hindi matamis and complementing yung flavors sa milk chocolate na not too powerful. Also, the packaging is very eye candy.